What about the washing line?
Good point there, Kate, good point.
They're bloody loud.
They are, aren't they?
Really? No, don't throw it in, Love.
Yeah, that would be good.
I'm not louder than these only have two. Beware! These fireworks are too dangerous to light them up for little children. Do not try this at home.
Over our house, land next door.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do. Don't be a bar humbug.
We'll get a police or something on, please. We're going to get called.
Bonfire Night 2017, guys. My name's Luke. Welcome to a vlog. And so yeah, if you've seen my Bonfire Night 2016, go check it out. It was on my videos. If you can if you can scroll down, and it just says Bonfire Night 2016. I'm gonna find my fleece. Trying to find my fleece. So yeah, go check it out. There we go. I'm off these on. So yeah, if you go check it out, link it in the description below.
Luke, go check on the dog.
I'm gonna check it on the dog. Hey Bandy, come in. Hello. So yeah. No Bandy. He can't go downstairs. He's just scared of fireworks. He always barks a lot. That's what Brandy do, always barks. So yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Did you have a nice bonfire night from 2016? Sorry for that music in the background.
Where's your mum?
Outside, I think. So yeah, let's go on back to see the fireworks here in Bonfire Night 2017. And then, when it ends, I'll see you in 2018.
What to do, Matt?
You got me drunk last time I was with him.
If you do, please subscribe to my channel. That'll be appreciated for the support. That's a nice one.
Luke, what were wrong with the dog?
14 quid.
What were wrong with the dog?
Yeah, what are we doing now? Barking. He wants to get through.
Oh, let's go get a platinum.
Over here is a fire. In this bin, where I put all rubbish and stuff into the fire, and you should see, and you can feel how hot were you feeling. So yeah, again, these fireworks are too dangerous for children. Don't try this at home, kids. Let your parents do it, or let your young adults doing, either 16 or above. Scared me there. So yeah, only young adults can do it, either they're 16 or over. So yeah, do not try this if you are 3. If you are 3 or over, do not try it at home, kids. If you are 3 years old or over. I like the bit of smell of fireworks smoke. I like the smell.
The smell of fire.
No, I meant a fireworks smoke. Where's that from?
I don't trust this if I look for myself.
So yeah, link it in the description for Bonfire Night 2016.
Luke, 3, 2,
I mean, I did a video of Bonfire Night 2016. There'll be a link in the description below. When I make a playlist. And there'll be a playlist link in the description below. So go check it out. Comment it down below if you like it.
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! I thought you were gonna land on my house. I thought you were gonna be landing on my house.
Yeah, I noticed where you stood.
Excuse us. Excuse
Right, I
us.
want to go get some back in a minute. Zed,
I thought you were gonna blow out of my house. If it blows up my house, where am I gonna live? Comment it down below. But it's not blown up. It's safe. It's safe for now. I don't need to go everywhere. So yeah, when it comes up to 10 minutes, I will do part 2. And so yeah, for one more time, I'll make a playlist of Bonfire Night 2016. Link it in the description below.
down here. It's fine. It's not on that table.
And also subscribe to my channel for appreciate support. That would be appreciated. And also leave a like on this. I don't think you can see. I'm just gonna move closer to the light. Yeah. Leave a like on that.
It's all right there, isn't it, watching fireworks, love? Because I don't do them. Thanks, love.
So yeah, I don't think I have enough space on my phone. Looks like we got another firework. It's a screamer. So yeah, I need to delete some videos to get some space. Oh my god, delete all my Windows app. Right, I'm gonna delete all my Windows app. Okay, because my Windows app is a huge megabytes of space on it. So yeah, am I gonna